Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to start a lesson on your phone on Duolingo. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo, open the app, and after that, go to whatever lesson that you want to start. Click on it and click start. And like that, you will listen your
Ja,
lesson like this, and you can start like doing the exercises and complete the exercises to complete your lesson. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.